So the UK government and UK businesses really recognise the importance of Smart China Expo. We've participated in all of the previous ones, and this year we had our largest ever business delegation, 48 companies, to meet Chinese companies and to discuss digital trends, digital economy and smart manufacturing. Digital economy, or digital trend here is an unstoppable trend. China is investing more in R&D every year than and the UK as well is very strong in this area.
那其实我们从17年落地中国以后呢，我们越来越多的原有的英国客户对中国产生了兴趣，就都想看一下我在中国能发生什么。
And there's huge opportunities for us to work together at Smart China Expo to build on that foundation and do more together.